The AI Trail Quattro by Audi is a modern, electric off-road car made for adventure enthusiasts who want to explore tough terrains in an eco-friendly way. It combines advanced technology with sustainability, offering a driving range of up to 400 miles on regular roads and 155 miles off-road. Its design includes wide panoramic glass, giving passengers a great outdoor view. One unique feature is its drone lighting system, which replaces standard headlights. While the price hasn't been revealed, the cutting-edge technology suggests it will be on the higher side. Audi has tackled issues like battery life and off-road performance by adding adaptive features and tough materials. As these technologies evolve, the AI Trail Quattro aims to deliver a fun, eco-friendly off-road experience, mixing style, comfort, and sustainability for outdoor adventurers. The Chevrolet Chaparral 2X VGT is a futuristic concept car created for the Gran Turismo video game, representing the future of motorsports with its bold design inspired by aerospace technology. Powered by laser energy, the car can reach speeds of up to 240 per hour. The driver lies flat in a prone position, reducing drag and increasing speed. Its sleek, aerodynamic body and advanced engineering push the boundaries of automotive design. While it's only a concept for virtual racing and not available for purchase, the Chaparral 2X VGT sparks the imagination of car enthusiasts with its impressive performance and innovative features. The Atlas ATV is a powerful all-terrain vehicle designed to handle tough environments with ease. It's equipped with a 3LO V6 turbo diesel engine that produces 200 horsepower, ensuring excellent performance on different landscapes. The ATV has high ground clearance and an advanced suspension system, making it perfect for navigating rocky terrains, dense forests, and deep mud. With a length of about 15 feet and a width of 7 feet, it offers plenty of space for up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for both adventurous trips and professional use. Priced at around $120,000, the Atlas ATV combines strength, durability, and flexibility, making it a great choice for those looking for a reliable and powerful vehicle. The Bentley Ultratank is an extraordinary combination of luxury and power, transforming the classic Bentley Continental GT into a military-grade vehicle. Designed by two brothers, it blends Bentley's elegance with the strength of an armored tank. Instead of traditional wheels, it uses tank-like tracks, making it capable of handling any terrain, from rugged off-roads to urban streets. Under the hood, it retains the Continental GT's 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering 626 horsepower for thrilling performance. This powerful machine seats 2 passengers in the lavish comfort you'd expect from Bentley. While its price is kept exclusive, it's expected to be a multi-million-dollar investment due to its unmatched craftsmanship. Whether you're after ultimate luxury, off-road prowess, or simply an awe-inspiring vehicle, the Bentley Ultratank offers a whole new level of automotive innovation. The Black Ops 4x4 CJ7 is a rugged off-road vehicle built to tackle challenging terrains while delivering an exciting driving experience. Built on the classic Jeep CJ7 platform, it features a powerful V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and large tires, making it ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts. Starting at $50,000, the Black Ops CJ7 offers full customization, allowing buyers to upgrade with winches, lighting systems, and comfort features. Recent improvements have increased its durability with a reinforced chassis and better off-road performance to handle even the toughest conditions. Its 4x4 system ensures outstanding traction, and the vehicle combines strength with style. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or muddy paths, the Black Ops CJ7 promises a thrilling ride that can conquer any challenge.